Good day, everyone. I hope all you are fine and doing well at your home. In today's computer video, we will cover Chapter 3 Calc Database. This is first part of Calc Database. What is database? A database is an organized collection of data arranged in the form of rows and columns. Although calc, which we all know and we have used to enter the data, it is not a database. It provides many operations which generally referred to as database functions. We must know what are records and what are fields in order to understand the database. Records, you can see the definition. It is the information related to row, means the information which is row wise referred as record, and the information referred as column wise is called field. You can see in this picture I have entered some data in OpenOffice Calc like roll number, name, marks of some subjects, English, Math, Science, Computer, and this is field which I have written over there, and this horizontal wise is record. Vertically shows the data is field and horizontally it is record. Now data sorting. Before data sorting, we can remember record and field in this way, like the data which is stored row wise is record, and the data which is stored in the form of column is field. Now data sorting. Sorting means arranging in a particular order, whether it is ascending or descending. So in computer we can do sorting in OpenOffice Calc. Sorting is a process of rearranging the records according to a particular field values, either in ascending order or in descending order. This is your OpenOffice Calc, and this is a toolbar. You can see here A to Z and Z to A. It is sort ascending and sort descending. You can see in this picture. Now I will show you how to do sort ascendingly and descendingly by simply clicking on these options. This is sort ascending. When you click sort ascending icon, it arranges the data ascendingly. Once you select the data, click over here. Now data will sort ascendingly. See here, first A, then G, then R. If we want to sort data descendingly, then click over here sort descending icon. Then after clicking here, the data will be sort descendingly along with the other data field values. First R, then G, then A. It is descending order. This is a simple way to sort the data. There are other steps to sort the data records in multiple levels. Steps to sort the records in Calc table are, these are the steps. First is select the worksheet data which is to be sorted. Then sort option in the data menu. I can explain it with these pictures. How to open a sort dialog box. You need to click on data in a menu bar, then sort option would be there. Click over here. This dialog box will open up. It has 3 levels. First is sort by ascending or descending, up to your choice. Then by, you can select any other field. Similarly, ascending or descending, up to your choice. Once you fill this data, you need to click OK. I have selected whole data, and when I open this sort option from data menu, first I am doing sorting by name, ascending, then by, you can see here multiple subjects are there: English, maths, science, computer. Secondly, we have selected English, then click OK. Once we'll done it, it will sort the data according to our criteria.